Hi, so for my cultural learning experience, I chose to do the night that I went to karaoke with Shelby, and then in this picture is Shelby, my best friend. Um, and I think this kind of like encapsulates how she is just a free spirit. She doesn't really care what happens, and at the karaoke party, I felt like many of the members of the Black community were like this as well. They were just very inviting and they didn't care what anybody else had to say to them, or like they just kind of did their own thing. They didn't worry about what anybody else was doing, but they also made sure to include everybody, and made sure everybody felt um, included in whatever. And I feel like this has affected them as individuals because they are very discriminated against, but Shelby, my best friend, she does not care about the color of your skin, where you come from, how much money you have, or how much money you come from. She's just her own person, and she judges you how you are. And I feel like members of the Black community are like this as well. And I feel like they're so underappreciated. And I really enjoyed this experience, and it kind of opened me up. Um, to going to more BSU meetings with her because she goes to BSU meetings, um, and any other activities that the Black sorority or Black fraternity happens to put on our campus. Yeah, and I think this helped me open up my eyes a little bit and just enjoy being me and also appreciate my best friend and her culture a little more. Thank you.